Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the September-October guest set box to unbox and review in this video. It's priced at Rs 15.99 including shipping, and it's a lifestyle subscription which contains some clothing, some makeup, some skincare and much more. So I'm very excited. Let's quickly get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is the box that has reached me and it is huge, guys. It is the biggest box I have probably ever received. This is much bigger than the previous guest set boxes as well. It's not even coming in my camera frame, so I cannot show you how it is. But inside that we have got this bag. So this month in the guest set box, it's more like a guest set bag. So we have all the products inside this bag which says follow my heart. So this is how the beautiful tote bag looks like. It has these artificial leather slings as well. It says follow my heart. It has this individual pouch. You can keep your mobile or some important things inside this and keep it inside. And as always, when they send a box, also they send a keyring on the box. So this time they have sent this very cute keyring. I really like this. It's super cute and super fluffy. I definitely like it. So here there's a slot kind of thing, so you can probably keep some things here. And the bag is pretty plain and it has a single chain here. Size wise it's pretty good. It's quite a huge bag. Even for books and all, I think you'll be able to carry notebooks and books inside this for college students. And it's pretty simple. I love the color. It's very versatile. You can use it on your day-to-day basis with all your clothes. And even the tagline is good. So I really liked it. Material wise also, it's pure leather material, so I really like it. And this is of course a product. And inside the bag we have this beautiful packet which contains all the other products. So let me show you guys how spacious this bag is. Pretty spacious, quite a big bag actually. Now let's move on to this beautiful pretty pouch. It's a really big mesh pouch, guys. I'm definitely gonna keep this and use it for some gifting option. So the first product that gets out is something that I have been thinking of buying from so long, but I'm so happy that I did not because I got it here. This is a fruit infuser bottle. So here you can keep some fruits and you can fill in water. So the water will be flavored and still it is having all the benefits of water plus more vitamins and minerals from the fruits. So this is actually a very good option for people who don't like water because it's too plain for people like me actually. So I drink a lot of sugary drinks and I rarely drink water. So this is actually a good way to start drinking more water. It's BPA free as well, which is great. And here are all the details on how to use it and the benefits as well. So you can read through these. And here it says it is leak proof, break proof and crystal clear. Price is 165 rupees mentioned here. And I'm really happy with this product, guys. Like truly I have been thinking of getting this and I never got one. But this is a very thoughtful addition for everybody. This is a very good healthy inclusion in your life. So a very thoughtful addition. Big thumbs up to the guest set team for adding this. Then the next lifestyle product is a clothing item which is a very cute t-shirt. I can already see a Mickey Mouse on it. So this one here is branded. It is by Disney and it's the Mickey Mouse variant. And I really like the color too. Oh wow, it's a beautiful one. It has these sequins pattern on it in the shape of Mickey Mouse. And I think this is gonna fit me perfectly. It's gonna be a little bit loose, I believe, but that will look very good and casual. And I also like that this is not that, small round neck. This is going to be perfect. And I also like the color. The color might vary for you guys, but I really like the color I've received. It's a very nice sea green color. And it has kind of a high-low pattern as well. I truly love this t-shirt. The material is also pretty good, guys. It's soft and it's like thick material, not very thin. so I really liked it. Then the last lifestyle product is this notebook and pen set, and they are so cute and quirky. Combination of yellow and blue. It says, "Oh, hello week, bring it on." It's by Madovo Print, and it's a simple plain notebook which you can use for any ways you want. I'm definitely gonna use this. I am a sucker for cute stationery like this, and just look at this minion pen. It's so cute. I totally love this. You will probably see this in some of the props as well, but I'm very happy with this combination. I'm definitely gonna use this. This is again one of the favorite products for me, if you ask me. So along with that, they have sent a referral code as well. So this is the coupon code, and the terms are also mentioned here. So if you want, you can go through it and use it. And they also have a write-up here. Now moving on, we have two things in this kind of packaging, and do you look at that packaging, guys? I'm so in love with the packaging. It has a mirror kind of thing here, and it has some kind of container over which there's a mesh packaging. It is a perfect gifting option. You can keep anything inside these pouches and gift it to your loved ones. I'm definitely using this for gifting purpose, and I really like the packaging. Thank you Guess What Box for making the unboxing experience so enjoyable and so filled with happiness. I can't explain how happy I am to receive this. So the first thing I have already seen in the sneak peeks, and this is one of my personal favorites. I love this one. These are Teal color changing lipsticks. I have used the Fran Nilsson Mood Matcher color changing lipsticks, and I cannot live without that, guys. So finding a new brand which is more affordable and more easily available will be definitely great. I have got the shade 03 with 3.6 grams of product, and I requested them to send a red color, and I'm lucky that they have. It is a gel lipstick, and look at how beautiful it looks. It's not that one which has flower in between, because after some time when the flower comes, it pokes to your lips and all. So this is very comfortable to use. So when you swipe it once, it looks almost transparent, but slowly it changes color and takes a very nice red color, which I'll show you after some time. I also like the packaging of this. It has like transparent and nice packaging as well. You can see it is already turning a bit pinkish. On your lips, it actually turns into a good, nice, deep color, because I have pigmented lips, so it looks kind of red on my lips, and these are very moisturizing as well. So I really enjoy using these on day-to-day basis. The next product we have is a jewelry piece. Okay, so this is how it is. It has black thread, and towards the end it has a beautiful pattern. It has a peacock pendant, and it looks very pretty and stylish as well. I really liked it. So this is how the pendant part looks like. It comes with this simple and matching earrings, which you can pair with this. So it's really good, very lightweight, and looks very classy. You can wear this with all your ethnic suits, kurtis, and even saris. It will look good. So I did like these. Then apart from lipstick, we have got another makeup product which is by a good brand. It's from Avon, and it's the Nailwear Pro Plus nail enamel in the variant Cosmic Blue. That's the shade name. It's 8 ml, and here are more details about the product. Well, I've already used the Avon nail paints from this range, and they are really good. I have a bottle green and I have a blue as well, and they look really nice. And using good brands is always a big thumbs up from me, and this is definitely good. Now in the beauty section, after makeup, we have one skincare and one hair care product, and both of these are by the brand Mirabelle. So we have a rose face spray which refreshes and soothes facial skin, 100 ml full size, made with organic ingredients. And here we have a lavender Manduka Purni anti-hair fall hairspray, basically, which is again for 100 ml full size. So the skincare product, this one you can use as a toner or a face mist. It comes with a spray nozzle as well, so you can use it as both. Price is $295 and manufactured in July 2018, expires in June 2020. and here are the benefits mentioned. There are no synthetic agents or harmful chemicals or alcohol, so the ingredient list is pretty simple and pure. It has rose water, purified water and rose water extract, so I'm definitely using this. And here are the directions for use as well. So this one you can also use to mix your powder face packs. So this is more like a rose water only. The hair care product is for 354 rupees and expires in August 2020. Here are the ingredients. Again, no harmful chemicals or alcohol, etc. And here are the directions for use. It says you can use it twice a day. So I believe it's not going to be oily. It's definitely going to be like a watery substance. And it has a really good claim. So I'm definitely going to use this. And this is going to probably smell very well because it has lavender. So yeah, I'm very happy with this too. We have got 2 full-size products. And finally, to complete our box, we have some sweet treats. So we have got these chocolate pies. These are 2 single individual packs. I'm definitely happy to get them and I'm definitely gonna eat it as soon as I complete the recording. So this is how the lipstick shade looks now. It actually tints your lips and makes you reddish or pinkish. I am definitely gonna love this one, and the tint actually stays for a very long time. That's why I love these lipsticks. So these are all the products in my September guess what box, and I must say that I'm very impressed. We have 2 makeup products, the lipstick and the nail paint. We have a jewelry set. Then we have a skincare and a hair care full size for both of them. We have some sweet treats, we have a clothing item, really good quality, and we have so many amazing lifestyle items. We have this bottle, this notebook and pen set. We have a very good bag, very versatile, that mostly people will use, and a cute keychain like they always add. And even look at the packaging, these things. And we also got this big mesh pouch. So packaging wise also it was great. Even the box size was bigger this time, so nothing will get damaged on the way. So for the price tag, I think it's definitely value for money, and in my opinion, it's one of the best guess what boxes so far. I'm really very happy. I actually ended up liking most of the products. I love the t-shirt, I love this bottle, I love the lipstick, I love the cute notebook and pen set. So there are many things that I loved in this edition. So this personally is one of my favorite editions, and I would definitely recommend you guys if you like these products. If you're interested in ordering this, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so definitely check it out. You will also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. There are 3 giveaways running already, so definitely do participate in them. They're very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can win some amazing gifts. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then definitely do subscribe to my channel. It would make my day and I would be forever grateful to you. I'll see you again soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.